Stock market terms that relate to real life. Support versus resistance. Looking at support levels, think of it as the floor or the bottom, a great place to get in and ride potential growth up in an upward trajectory. Looking at resistance, look at resistance as a ceiling or overvalued, a great opportunity to sell and make profit and lock in those capital gains. Look at support and resistance levels in the market as opportunities to get in, ride momentum, upward trajectory, reach the ceiling, sell, take profits, and buy in at a lower rate later. There will always be support and resistance, and there will always be a buying opportunity to get in, ride the momentum, sell and take profits, or keep riding the wave.